Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to page 11 business mathematics class. So I gave two homeworks for you. I hope you all of you completed. So seventh problem, exercise 4.1, correct? So exercise 4.1. Seventh problem, first Roman I gave homework for you. I said in our next class we'll start second one. So we'll start here. Writing the question, sin theta, cos theta, sin pi by 2 minus theta, cosecant theta plus cos pi by 2 minus theta, secant theta equal to 1. Okay, so sin theta, cos theta, sin of pi by 2 minus theta, cosecant theta plus cos of pi by 2 minus theta, secant theta equal to 1. We will find all the values separately and do it. Okay. So sin of 90 minus theta directly if you can means you can do, otherwise do it separately. So sin of pi by 2 minus theta means it is same as sin of 180 by 2, correct? So it is same as sin of 90 minus theta. What's sin of 90 minus theta? Cos theta. Same as that. Cos of pi by 2 minus theta means it is same as cos of 90 minus theta. What is cos of 90 minus theta? Sin theta. Correct? You can apply all this to that. Okay. So LHS. Shall we substitute? LHS sin theta as sin theta, cos theta. In the place of sin pi by 2 minus theta as cos theta into cosecant theta, cos of 90 minus theta as sin theta into secant theta as secant theta. Now you can use reciprocal ratio here. Sin theta cos theta into cos theta into cosecant, how will you write? 1 by sin plus sin theta into secant, how will you write? 1 by cos. Okay, so the sin and sin will get cancelled. So what's the balance? Cos square theta plus sin theta by cos theta. Sorry students, we did one small mistake here. Okay, so it is sin theta, it is sin theta. Here it is common for both. Okay, it's a bracket, I can't find it. So I'm writing the step again. Sin theta cos theta, it is whole bracket. Okay, so you will get cos theta by sin theta plus sin theta by cos theta. It is common for everything. So sin theta cos theta, inside you take the LCM, sin theta cos theta, cross it, cos square theta plus sin square theta. What's the value for sin square theta plus cos square theta? 1, is it right? So this 2 will get cancelled. What's the value? 1. It is RHS. Understand? So don't forget, it is bracket is common. Okay. So understand students? Okay. So I think 8th problem we have completed already as homework. Now shall we do problem number 9? Do that tan pi plus x cot, first Roman, okay, cot pi minus x, sorry, cot x minus pi minus cos 2 pi minus x cos 2 pi plus x equal to sin square x. So we will do it separately. Solution, tan pi plus x. What's the meaning? Tan of 180 plus x. So what is tan of 180 plus theta? tan theta. So tan x. The next one. Cot of x minus pi. So you need to change, is it right? So cot of minus shall we take outside? So pi minus x. Then cot of minus theta minus cot theta. So minus cot of pi minus x. So what is 90? Minus cot of 180 minus theta. So minus cot theta, minus into minus, plus cot x. The next one. Cos of 2 pi minus x. So that is, the meaning is cos of 2 into 180 minus x. That is cos of 360 minus theta. Cos of 360 minus theta means cos theta. Then next, cos of 2 pi plus x. That's equal to cos of 2 into 180 plus x. That's equal to cos of 360 plus x. So what's the value for 360 plus theta? Cos theta. Now substitute all the values in LHS. First value is tan x cot x minus cos x cos x. So tan, how will you write? Sin x by cos x. This and all you have learned last year. Cot, how will you write? Cos x by sin x minus cos square x. Correct? So sin cos cancel. That's equal to 1 minus cos square x. What's the value for 1 minus cos square x? Sin square x. That's the answer. Understand? So what's the value for 1 minus sin cos square x? Sin square x. That's the answer. Understand? Okay. So next one. Second row now. Sin 180 degree plus a cos 90 degree minus a tan 270 degree minus a divided by secant 540 degree minus a cos 360 degree plus a cosecant 270 degree plus a. Separately find out sin of 180 plus a. What is sin of 180 plus theta? Sin theta. So minus sin theta. Then next, cos of 90 minus theta, sin theta. This and all you need to learn. Okay. The next one, tan of 270 minus theta, cot theta. Then secant of 540 minus a. Directly we can't find, split it. Secant of 360 plus 180 minus a. So that's equal to secant of 180 minus a. What is secant of 180 minus theta? Minus secant theta. Then next one, cos of 360 plus a. Cos 360 plus theta, cos theta. Then cosec 270 degree plus theta minus secant theta. We have found out all the values. That tabular column you need to by heart very thoroughly. Substitute all the values in LHS. Minus sin a cot a divided by into divided by minus secant a cos a minus secant a. Simplify. Minus sin a cot, how will you write? Cos by sin. Then minus secant a cos a, how will you write secant a? 1 by cos a minus, is it right? So cos a cancel, sin cancel. What's the balance? Minus sin a cos a divided by secant a. So 1 by secant a cos a, correct? Cos a, again you can put it. So minus sin a cos a, secant a means 1 by cos a. If you are bringing this to a square. So minus sin a cos square a. This only you need to prove, correct? Understand? Have you got it? Find out all the value, substitute here, use reciprocal ratios, you will get that. Understand, students? Okay, let's move to next question. So, I think it's the last problem in this exercise. Number 10. If sin theta equal to 3 by 5, tan pi equal to 1 by 2, and pi by 2 less than theta less than pi less than 3 pi by 2, then find the value of 8 tan theta minus root 5 secant pi. Solution. What is given value? Sin theta equal to 3 by 5. What's the given value? Sin theta equal to 3 by 5. And the range is given as pi by 2 less than theta less than pi. Keep it in mind. Here it is theta. So that one range alone I have wrote it. Okay. Then theta is in which quadrant? The reason is it is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. It is given as 90 to 180, correct? So here 0 to 90 degree, here 90 to 180 degree, 270, 270 to 360. So here pi by 2 means 90, here it will be 180. So where the theta is lies in? Is in which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, only all sine silver teacups, is it right? So only sine and its reciprocal is positive, okay? Have you understand why sine and its reciprocal alone positive? All silver teacups. So here all it will be positive. Second quadrant it is silver. So silver means sine. So sine and its reciprocal alone is positive in second quadrant. Then third one teacup. So t tan. Tan means tan and its reciprocal positive. Here cos and its reciprocal positive. Have you understand? So here second quadrant sine and its reciprocal positive. Third quadrant tan and its reciprocal positive. Fourth quadrant cos and its reciprocal positive. First quadrant all the angles are positive. Understand all of you? Again first quadrant all are positive. Second quadrant sine and its reciprocal is positive. Third quadrant tan is positive, its reciprocal. Third quadrant, fourth quadrant cos and its reciprocal is positive. Understand all of you? So second quadrant theta lies in second quadrant, sine and reciprocal alone positive. Understand? So here sine theta means what's the meaning? You have learned in lower class 9th standard, opposite side by hypotenuse. So the value is given as 3 by 5. So we can find the another value as root of 5 square minus 3 square using Pythagoras theorem, that is 25 minus 9, that's equal to root 16. So what's the value? 4. What's this another side value? 4. So if I am considering this as a right angle triangle, it is theta. Let us take it as ABC. So opposite side 3. Hypotenuse 5. So this one is 4. We have found out all the values. Now we need tan pi value also given. So you need cos value, is it right? So you can find cos value. Cos theta equal to, what's the formula? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent? 4. 4 by 5. So same as that. Tan theta also you need to find. Tan theta, if you are finding tan theta, how much you will get? How much you will get? Tan theta means opposite side by adjacent. What is opposite side? 3 by 4. Keep it in mind very clearly. Sine alone positive. So remaining everything negative. Understand, students? You will have a doubt. Why, ma'am? Here cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Why you are putting the negative sign? Now I explained that is in this problem we have found out that is in first quadrant all is positive. Here you got the second quadrant. So second quadrant sign alone positive. Remaining two angles and its reciprocal is negative. Okay. Then also tan pi equal to 1 by 2. It's given, is it right? So this one less than pi less than 3 pi by 2. So this one also you need to find. Okay. So here it is pi means what's the meaning? 180 degree less than pi less than 3 into 180 degree divided by 2. So 3 into 90. So it will lies in which quadrant? Check it. In which quadrant? Third quadrant. So what alone positive? Tan pi alone positive. Okay. So you need to find out another right angle triangle and do it. So here I am considering another one right angle. Take it as side. So tan pi the value is given as 1 by 2. So here I am considering ABC means opposite by adjacent. Correct? So opposite it is 1, adjacent it is 2. So this one you need to find. So how will you do? Root of 2 square plus 1 square. That's equal to 4 plus 1. That's equal to root 5. What's the hypotenuse? Root 5. Understand? So we have found out all the value. Now you know all the value. You need secant C value. That is secant psi. Secant pi means what's the value? Hypotenuse divided by adjacent. What's the hypotenuse? What's the hypotenuse? Where it is given? Opposite by adjacent. 4 plus 2. Sorry. 4, 5. Sorry. So that's equal to 4 minus 1. Sorry. That is root of 2 square minus 1. Correct? 1 square. So that is root of yes, no, correct only. So secant pi we need to find out the value. So for that hypotenuse we need. Okay. So we can find out the hypotenuse. So how will you find root of 2 square plus 1 square? Hypotenuse means we need to add. Correct. So 5 you will get. Now substitute the value. Root 5 by adjacent side is 2. Now we can substitute in all the value. What you need to do? 8 tan theta minus root 5. Substitute 8 into tan theta. What's the value? Tan theta. We have found out the value for tan theta here. Minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4 minus root 5 into secant pi value root 5 by 2. That is, we can cancel. So minus 6 root 5 into root 5, 5 by 2. So minus 12 minus 5 by 2. Here secant also it's negative, correct? Negative. So plus, that's equal to minus 7 by 2. That's the answer. Correct? Again I am repeating, it's also very important. 5 mark question they can ask. So this one you know, is it right? Then same as this one pi. Here tan and reciprocal alone positive. So secant also negative, correct? So tan alone positive. So this alone positive. So we need this much value. Find out and substitute. You will get the answer as minus 7 by 2. Do it very carefully. Otherwise you will put mistake here. Understand, students? Okay. First section over. So in trigonometry, first exercise over. Please children, don't leave. If you are not at all learning trigonometry, it will be very difficult to do next chapters and all. You will think this trigonometry for us no need, we won't learn, because in 10th standard and all we will leave, no, that trigonometry and all you won't learn. So then you will think that trigonometry having no connection with another chapter, so that one we no need means we can leave that. But here we can't escape from trigonometry. So each and every chapter we are going to deal with this trigonometric ratios and all. So I will ask that time. So you must learn this trigonometry. Very easy if you know all the ratios and all the values and all. This trigonometry will be very easy for you, and learn it and complete this. So 4.1 exercise, 10 problems I have completed. So today your work is, I not give homework for you, is it right today? So no work, don't think you know work. So take down everything to your classwork and please learn this first exercise fully. Okay, so next class we are going to learn again lot of formulas. We will start from 4.2 exercise in our next class. Okay students, be safe, learn every portion, don't leave anything. This today your work is learn this exercise fully and take down everything to your classwork, as well as write down and get practice, learn all the formulas and the next section when you are going time, this formulas and all you will forget. So because of that, before that learn it everything. Make use of it, don't waste your time. We will meet in the next class with a new section. Be safe students. Thank you.